Hello everyone, welcome to Bridge Bills. Today in this video, we are excited to walk you through the invoice module in Bridge Bills. This feature, in Bridge Bills, is designed to assist you in generating and handling invoices for your business. Let us take a quick look to generate an invoice in Bridge Bills. Start by selecting Sales from the menu and proceed to the Invoice section. Once you click on New Invoice, you'll arrive at this page. Now, click on Add Customer, and select the customer from the drop-down. Quick way to create a customer is provided here. Mention the invoice date, due date, tax type, reference. The currency exchange rate column displays the exchange rate for the currency selected when the customer was created. Here you may select the project from the drop-down. Quick way to create a project is provided here. Also, click here to add relevant attachment if any. Here in this section, choose the desired item from the drop-down. Quick way to create an item is provided here. Account, type, rate, VAT will be auto-fetched, according to the details entered while creating an item, and you can change the values as per your requirement. Additionally, enter the discount here, if applicable. More items can be added by clicking on Add an Item. Enter the email to which customer would like to receive the invoice. In this section you can view the total amount exclusive of VAT. Corresponding VAT amount is displayed here. Enable Auto Round Off to keep an intact amount including VAT. If payment is received from the customer, enable Mark as fully paid and enter the payment mode. If a partial payment has been received, enter the amount received and the payment mode. You can view the balance amount of the invoice here. Next, in this section, you can input the terms of service, which will be printed at the bottom of the invoice as notes or terms of service. Furthermore, in the footer section, you have the option to include a thank you note or tax information, which will appear as remarks on the invoice. Once you click here on Invoices, it switches you back to the invoice list page. If you want to add a new invoice along with saving the current data, click on Save and New from the drop-down. Click on Save and Mail to send the invoice to the customer. Once done, click on Save. The created invoice will reflect here as draft and you can either edit or delete from here. With the option provided in the drop-down icon, you can approve the invoice. Once the invoice is approved, the system will automatically disable the edit and delete buttons. Additionally, the drop-down icon provides several options that allows you to do the required operation in a rapid manner. Clicking on Record Collection directs you to the Collection module. The Collections History section allows you to view all the collections made for the respective invoice. Issue Credit Note option directs you to the Credit Notes section. The invoice can be printed in both English and Arabic, and it can also be downloaded in English and Arabic. The last option is to send an email, which allows you to send the invoice directly to the customer. Now to retrieve details of a specific invoice, simply enter the invoice number, project, customers, payment status, or invoice date and click on Search button. A drop-down menu is available to navigate between selected submodules. In addition to the drop-down menu, we have also included submodules within the Sales module to simplify the navigation. By clicking on the star icon next to the invoice, you can mark it as favorite for convenient access from the dashboard. Additionally, there is an option available in the Export button to export the invoice list in Excel sheet. That's all in this video. Hope this video finds you well. If you have any queries or suggestions, please feel free to comment below. Thank you for watching.